Today, the topic discussed is water quality parameters. To determine the quality of water, certain physical, chemical, and biological parameters has to be determined. Some significant parameters that has to be measured are grouped into three. The parameters are physical, chemical, and biological. Few physical parameters are color, taste, and odor, turbidity, total dissolved solids. Under chemical parameters, it is pH, acidic or alkaline nature of water, it is TDS, hardness, presence of toxic and non toxic chemicals. And biological parameters are measurement of pathogens present in water. The pathogens may be bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, algae. So let us see the physical parameters of water. Color. Color of water, it is defined as the shade that is imparted to water. And it is due to the presence of colloidal and suspended impurities. Color is produced by the presence of colloidal and suspended impurities. These impurities change the appearance of water, and the natural water, the color, if we see, it ranges between pale yellow to dark brown. Sources that impart color to water, it is classified into two: certain organic sources and certain inorganic sources produce color to water. And the list of sources are tannin, humic substances, organic dyes, or few organic sources that impart color. And inorganic sources, presence of inorganic dyes in water, ferrous and manganese impart color to water. Significance of measuring color. Why color of water has to be measured? Color changes the aesthetic sense of water. So, since the appearance is changed, the water is not seen good for consumption. Products which are made using colored water undergo change in shades. With an example to say, fabrics prepared in textile industry are subjected to undergo change in shades. Even food colors are modified. So that it is very important to measure the color of water. And coming for removal, the methods which are used for removal of color in water, it is mainly adsorption using activated carbon and sedimentation and filtration also help in removal of color. So taste and odor, another physical parameter. Definition for taste, it is the sense of flavor received in tongue and mouth when the substance is in contact. Odor is the smell or scent that is felt in nose when substances volatilize around. Certain sources in water create bad taste and bad odor. It imparts bad taste and bad odor to water. The sources are listed below and it is classified as organic and inorganic. Organic sources that impart taste and odor to water are decaying animal and vegetable matter and presence of algae. Some inorganic sources that impart bad taste and odor are presence of amines, sulfides, Mercaptans. Significance. Why taste and odor of water has to be measured? It is taste and odor that decides the digestion in living species. So it is very much necessary to measure taste and odor. The products that are manufactured using water with color, odor, and taste impart the same taste to the products also. Particularly, or water with bad odor and taste affect the food products. Removal. How come taste and odor of water can be removed? So the major method applied for it is aeration method, that is supply of oxygen into water. To some extent, it helps in removal of taste and odor. And the other method is adsorption using activated carbon. Another significant physical parameter which has to be determined or measured is turbidity. What is turbidity? It is the reduction in clarity of water, which means the water looks cloudy. So it is produced by some colloidal and suspended impurities. It changes the appearance of water. It makes water cloudy. In detail, the sources that produce turbidity to water, again classified into two: some organic sources and some inorganic sources. Oil globules under organic sources, the list of materials or things that create turbidity in water is oil globules, that is present in sewage, presence of sand, and organic matter which is present in living cells, that is proteins, amino acids, and nucleic acids. Inorganic sources that produce turbidity is fine sand, clay, inorganic chemicals like paint, even presence of ferrous, manganese, slit, silica, etc. Significance of measuring turbidity. Turbidity affects or blocks the passage of light through water. So thereby it hinders the visibility of organisms in water. Usage of turbid water in industries, in machineries particularly, is not good, as the sediments affect the machine efficiency. In turbid water, disinfection process and softening processes are not complete. So, because of these reasons, turbidity of water has to be measured. And removal. How come turbidity can be removed? So, the major method or the foremost method which has to be adopted is sedimentation, followed by coagulation, filtration, and precipitation. So, in the next video, let us look about the chemical parameters of water.